Well, welcome to Suffolk, everybody, where we have a creepy llama in the field next to where we're staying. I don't know why it's so creepy, it's just a llama, but it just looks like it's in charge of like all the sheep or something. And like, I don't know, it looks a bit sinister. Or maybe it's just me. So Becky and I have decided that we wanted to come and stay at the caravan and motorhome club site called Barn Owl Meadow, but you have to be a member of the caravan and motorhome club to stay here, and also I think it's adults only, so you can't bring any kids here. So if you are a family, then yeah, you won't be allowed here. I think it's a relatively new campsite. Well, it's not really a campsite, it's like a caravan park. It's not like massive, there's only 5 hard standing pitches, of which we're on one of. There's a few grass ones as well, but I think they're shut for the winter. So in the winter there's just a 5, and then I think it might go up to like perhaps 10 throughout the summer. But this is the main building anyway, and it's got 2 shower rooms, bathrooms, a toilet, washing up facilities, and kind of like a little shop as well. I think they sell like local produce and stuff like that. But the bathrooms on this campsite, they're like the kind of bathrooms you'd expect in a hotel, not a campsite. So yeah, they're quite clean and new, and yeah, they're really nice. Plus the showers are really good. I would go as far as to say they're possibly the best showers we've ever had on any campsite we've ever been to. And they also have a radio playing like magic on all the time. So in the bathrooms, the toilet, the washing up, they have speakers in the ceiling so you can listen to the radio, which I've never seen anywhere else before. And they've got loads of solar panels on the roof as well. So yeah, very swish. But if we come around here into one of the shower rooms, they've got these keypads as well to get in, so you need the code to get in, which is rather fancy. Oh. But this is the bathroom, everyone. It's absolutely massive in here. I can literally just like dance in here, it's so big. The shower, no push buttons, you've got one of those waterfall things. And yeah, it's just like really clean, really tidy. We've got the radio playing out the roof. Hair dryer. That doesn't cost any money. It's really good. I'm looking forward to having another shower.
What are you doing? What? What are you doing? Washing up, complete.
It's turned out to be such a nice day today. Still a little bit of a chill in the air, but look how nice this is. We've got the whole campsite to ourselves as well, look. Well, apart from one caravan there, but I think they've got out for the day. But yeah, this is such a nice place to be. If you're thinking of coming away for just like a quiet retreat, maybe read a book, go for a walk in the countryside, I can't really think of anywhere better, to be honest with you. Yeah. We're just packing the van up anyway because we are going into Ipswich. I think we're going to have a little look around the marina, at the boats, and I don't know, whatever else is there. Becky's going to drive the van for the first time.
Oh god, I forgot about that.
Which I think she's a bit nervous about.
Oh golly gosh.
But I've assured her there's nothing to worry about. It's actually quite easy to drive, to be honest with you. It's just kind of like a little bit bigger than the old van, obviously, but it's not like difficult to drive or anything. But we'll see you guys there at the waterfront, and we'll see what we can see.
We'll see what we can see.
Before we left to come away in the van, I picked up my sunglasses and I put them back in the cupboard again because I was like, there's no way I'm going to need my sunglasses in the middle of January. And here I am, struggling to see anything because the sun's so bright on like the clearest, bluest day we've had since like last summer. Full of regret.
That's ridiculous exaggeration.
It's not.
Last summer.
I can't remember the last time it was like
And
this.
you're full of envy.
I am. I'm very jealous of Becky and her sunglasses. So a couple of quick facts about Suffolk then. There's a place called Lowestoft, which is the most easterly point in the whole country. So technically, Suffolk is the first county where you can see the sunrise in the morning.
The most famous wizard was born in Suffolk. And his name is
Harry Potter!
The stunning De Vere house in Lavenham was used as a film location in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. It appeared as Godrics Hollow, which was the birthplace of Harry Potter.
The Waterfront at Ipswich has been at the heart of Ipswich's transformations over the town's 1500-year history. How cool is that? 1500 years. That's a lot of years. You thirsty? Oh, very thirsty. Imagine if we had to drink with our tongues like dogs. That'd be so annoying, wouldn't it? I don't think I've touched anything, but
I picked up food.
bit of sanitizer. You picked up a poo?
Yeah, 2 keys.
Oh, God, it's so cold outside. As soon as the sun went in, temperature just dropped. We've just stopped off to get some more supplies. What did you get, Becky?
Got you some chocolate.
We got me some chocolate. Legend.
Oh, now.
I'm really into Doritos at the moment. I don't know why, I'm just obsessed with Doritos. The chili heatwave ones are the only ones that have gluten in them, so Becky can't eat these ones. So they're all for me.
Oh, I've got sponges.
And you got sponges. We forgot to bring a washing up sponge with us, so we've been washing up just with like our fingers basically and like a wooden spoon for the last couple of days.
Fizz.
We've got some pop as well. Also, does anybody else fold up their crisp packets into triangles when they finish with them? I don't know why, but I always do
I
this.
don't know how to do it.
Someone showed me how to do this at a pub like years ago, and now every time I eat a packet of crisps, I fold it up into a triangle. I just like can't not do it. It's like habitual. So we're back at camp again. Can't believe it's dinner time already. It's just absolutely ridiculous how fast the days go. We've got one more night here at Barn Owl Meadow in Suffolk before we head back to Colchester tomorrow morning for a couple more nights. It's always quite hard to tell where to go and what to see when we visit certain counties. So with Suffolk, we were just looking on the motorhome and caravan club site and the caravan and camping club site as well, and just trying to find somewhere where we could go that's in a reasonably good location. And there's not really much thought beyond that as to what's around it really. It's really hard to tell. So if we were saying that we're going to go to Norfolk next time, which is the next county up north from Suffolk, I've got absolutely no idea what there is to see and do in Norfolk. So it's just a case of booking something and then discovering what's there, which is kind of like a good thing, but then at the same time you feel like you might be missing out on something as well. So I think when we do the next trip to a new county, I'll let you guys know over on Instagram, and if any of you are familiar with the area or live in the area or have any suggestions as to places we could visit or places we can stay, then it'd be great for you to let us know, so then perhaps we're a bit more prepared for the trip. At the same time though, we're not the kind of people that like to just do activities all day long, especially with Digby as well, because a lot of places he can't go because for some strange reason people won't let dogs into places. I know, it's crazy, right? But Becky's cooking tea, having van pasta again. I think we're having the bacon bits in this one. I don't know whether we're going for stirring sauce, pesto, or I don't know what she's doing. Pesto?
Yeah.
Green or red?
Red, it's like a fiery chili pesto.
Fiery chili pesto. Red pesto is definitely better than green pesto, and I'm not going to have it if you think otherwise, because red pesto is the best. Van pasta.
So hard to tell.
But this is going to do it for our Suffolk trip anyway. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. And like I was saying earlier, if you're looking for somewhere to stay that's really quiet and peaceful, then come to Barn Owl Meadow. But until the next one, guys, have a safe drive, stay alive, have a lovely day, and we'll see you guys next time.
Do into it.
Huh?
Do into it.
Do I? I'm just like talking to the camera and stirring my pasta over and over again. I don't know why.